We're tie-dyeing face masks today. So we found this tie-dye kit, which includes these containers here where you microwave what you're tie-dyeing for 2 minutes after you're done instead of having to let it soak overnight. Here's all of our colors all mixed up. So first step is to mix the colors, and next one you want to soak your items just so that they're damp before you tie-dye. And we're gonna try some fun techniques. Got a crumple technique going on here. Scrunch it up, pinch it together. Fold it up, do what you want. This is definitely really tiny piece of material to be working with compared to tie-dyeing a whole shirt. Take some elastics. Wrap them around, a couple places of choice. Doesn't matter, just try to be artistic. And we're gonna choose some colors. Take your color, just kind of splash color wherever you think you'd like it to be. You can have a plan ahead of time, or you can just have fun and surprise yourself with how it turns out. Flip over, you want to get the back side too. And if you wanted to, you could leave it just like that and it would just be a little purple and white. We're going to go in with a little extra shading, a little bit of pink fuchsia action. Also note we have our table covered because I think this might dye your table pretty quick. We've got gloves on too, so it doesn't dye your fingertips. You just keep playing around until you're satisfied with your color choices. And when you're done, we'll place it in the container to microwave. Place your tie-dye item inside the container, close the lid. That's gonna go in the microwave for 2 minutes, and then it'll sit off to the side, maybe about 5 more while it cools down. I'm just alternating like a fan, moving back and forth. Holding it nice and tight. Now I'm gonna try and make some stripes. So I'll take an elastic. I'm gonna tuck my straps in. The elastic around a few times so that's nice and tight. Another elastic. This one I kind of have a plan for. Some thinner stripes on the side, wider bit in the middle. So I'll put my elastics here. And then one more on the end. Okay, so my plan for this one is to go navy, pink, navy. So we'll see how that goes. Here's navy, right? A little bit of splash. I'm going to try and get the navy just on this outside edge, and then navy in the middle. And pink is over here. Pink in the middle stripes. And I'll just do the same on the other side. I'll flip it over. Blue on my edges. And the middle. You don't have to put too much for it to work. And the outside. Pink in my little in-betweeners. I think that'll do. Put her in the lid just like that. It's so cute because it's so small. We'll close it up, microwave for 2 minutes. So we're attempting the fork spinning method on this tiny little mask. Kind of want my swirl to be up there. So as the fork spins, we'll pull the mask in, round and round she goes. It's so little. Spin it nice and tight. Pull our fork out, and then need some elastics, please. Elastic right in the middle, and then one side to side. So we wanted a little bit of a darker color than what we had, so I mixed some red and purple together. I'm just gonna use my spoon to put this on, see how it goes. I'm gonna try and keep it one side. See how steady my hand is here. Oops. And then the opposite side. Steady, steady, steady hands. A little bit more on this side. Nice deep rich color we want. And turn it over and do the same thing on the other side. We have a little reveal of the first two masks that we made. They look super cool. So after your masks are cool off, just to set the colors and help keep them bright, they're soaking in a mixture of about 2 cups of vinegar, a couple pinches of salt, and then water up to the top. And then once they're done there, in the washing machine they go. And voila, here's some of the finished products after they soaked in the vinegar. Place them in the washing machine and then the dryer. They held their color pretty nice, faded up a little bit. A few different techniques we used, a few different color combinations. They're gonna be so exciting to wear. Have fun making your own. That's all for now.